23 ABC's Digital Update is brought to you by West Medical.
I'm Mike Hart. Here's a look at some of the stories we're following on this Friday. Officials with Ridgecrest Regional Hospital have announced they are treating a COVID-19 patient. The CEO said they did it simply for transparency and to reassure the community.
I want to assure you we're going to get through this. The hospital has been preparing for weeks now, activating our disaster plans to make sure that we can take care of our community, even in the event of a surge. We've been trying to get messages out to the community about social distancing, staying away so we can slow this horrible virus down.
Kern County for the coronavirus.
Now, the CEO, Suver, saying that he's asking residents to continue practicing guidelines and recommendations on social distancing, to wash your hands, stay home if you feel sick, things like that. He said the hospital currently has enough ventilators and room in the ICU to treat a possible outbreak in Ridgecrest. Meantime, local testing for COVID-19 has surpassed 1,500 people in the county. There are 32 positive tests for residents and 1 non-resident. The number of negative tests has now reached 643, with 880 still pending. The health department is still not releasing the age or gender of the patients or where they're being treated or recovering. Officials say they will continue to reevaluate their protocols when it comes to the release of information as the numbers increase. And what are you doing to pass the time? Are you watching movies, activities with your kids, maybe some home projects? Are you dressed up like a dinosaur and waving at passing cars? You know, send us videos or pictures on our Facebook page or email them to us at news@kero.com. We'll share some of them and how you're making it in Kern County during this time. All right, let's bring in Alyssa right now and get a check of your Friday forecast.
Good morning, Kern County. Taking a look at our futurecast, you can see this storm leaves us dry on Friday, and then Saturday we have some cloud coverage starting to move in. A storm moves by our region, but it's weak, so we're not expecting too many impacts here in Kern County. Now, as we look at your air quality for today, you can see we are at 34 for your AQI, some good air quality here in the valley for us. Your 7-day forecast shows we're going to stay in the low to mid 60s through Sunday. Next week, some 70s in the forecast, even a high of 79 for you on Wednesday on the first day of April. Looking at the forecast for our mountain communities, you could still see some scattered showers through the morning as this storm exits our region, but warmer temperatures ahead for the week, 70s even in the Kern River Valley.
And that's a look at some of the stories we're following this morning. Don't forget, you can find breaking news, weather, and traffic anytime, anywhere by downloading our free mobile and tablet apps. We'll have another update for you right here later today.